Today in the livestock market, live cattle was lower. Futures are correcting this overbought market. We're down for the fourth day in a row. April had a $3.75 range. We had a higher start that brought in, but then that brought in the selling, and that it mainly in response to corn. Corn started a little bit lower, so that gave the cattle a little bit of a lift there. But when things started to reverse course, then the selling really came in. We got down to 199.52 before bouncing back to just above that $200 mark. All fundamentals do remain the same. Supplies are still tight, and it will be for the foreseeable futures. But funds are holding a record long position, so they still are believing in this market right now. It's important to note, but the April option open interest is the highest at that $200 strike. So I'm not surprised then that the pullback came back to that strike. CVAL also is up a couple of percentage points to 18.1%. Feeders did fall as well. The imports from Mexico are continuing, but there's going to be still a strict protocols will be in place. The futures did break below that peak surge when before the market really surged up to those peak prices was in January 22nd. So now we're down to that level. March had a $6.80 range. We were in the end down 582 to 269.85. Funds on the feeders did reduce some of their long positions, so that could have also be what put some pressure onto the market right now. 280 was the number for the option open interest. It seems that the market kind of achieved that objective, and now we're kind of selling off just a little bit, or really we're still like in that corrective mode. CVAL is at 18.6%, again up a little bit there. Now hogs did gap down. The profit taking just jumped right in there. It was continuing as Friday's close was below that support level, and the scramble was on today to get the profit off the table. Futures hit prices from January 22nd. April was down $4. We got down to 86.35. We're down like 650 from Thursday's high. So the market really, had an about face for the last three sessions now. The deferred did follow suit as well, all a little bit lower, but still staying above that $100 mark. CVAL is at 26.5%.